Welcome back. Before we start our deep dive into today's topic, please take a second to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a technical breakdown. It really helps the channel grow. Apache log4cxx is a powerful logging framework designed for C++ developers. It allows you to generate log messages from your applications, helping with debugging, monitoring, and auditing. As part of the Apache Logging Services project, it shares design principles with other logging frameworks like log4j and log4net. This makes it a familiar tool for developers working across different platforms and languages. Logging is a critical part of software development. It helps developers trace errors, monitor system behavior, and ensure applications are running as expected. In production environments, logs can be vital for diagnosing problems without interrupting service. They also provide valuable data for auditing and improving application performance over time. Log4cxx is built around 4 core components: loggers, appenders, layouts, and filters. Loggers are responsible for capturing logging requests in your code. Appenders define where these logs are sent, like to a file or console. Layouts format the log messages, and filters allow fine-grained control over which logs are actually written. Log levels in log4cxx help categorize the severity of log messages. Trace provides the most granular detail, useful for diagnosing problems. Debug is for general debugging information. Info gives a high-level overview of application flow. Warn flags potential issues, while error indicates serious problems that need immediate attention. Choosing the right level is key to effective logging. In log4cxx, loggers are organized in a hierarchy. Each logger can have child loggers, and these children inherit settings from their parents. This allows for flexible and modular configuration. The root logger sits at the top of this hierarchy and provides default settings for all other loggers in the system. Appenders in log4cxx define where your log messages go. The file appender writes logs to a file, while console appender outputs to the terminal. Rolling file appender automatically manages file size by creating new files when needed. For distributed systems, socket appender can send logs over a network to a centralized logging server. Layouts in log4cxx control how your log messages appear. Pattern layout allows you to define custom formats using placeholders like timestamp, log level, and message. Simple layout provides a basic format, while HTML layout and XML layout make logs easy to parse in web-based tools. Choosing the right layout can greatly improve log readability and analysis. Filters in log4cxx allow you to control which log events are processed. Level range filter lets you specify a range of acceptable log levels. String match filter can include or exclude logs based on message content. Deny all filter blocks all events, and you can also create custom filters for unique requirements. Filters add an extra layer of control to your logging strategy. The architecture of log4cxx is designed for flexibility and scalability. At the core, loggers form a hierarchy that allows for modular configuration. Appenders determine where logs are sent, while layouts format the output. Filters provide fine-grained control over which events are processed. This layered approach makes log4cxx a powerful and adaptable logging solution. To get started with log4cxx, you'll need to download and build the library. Once built, link it with your C++ project and include the necessary headers. Configuration can be done using an XML file or a properties file, allowing you to define loggers, appenders, and layouts without changing your code. This separation of configuration and code is one of log4cxx's key strengths. Here's a simple example of logging with log4cxx. First, include the necessary headers. Then, initialize a logger and start logging messages at different levels: info, warn, error. Depending on your configuration, these messages will appear in the console or a log file. This basic setup is the foundation for more advanced logging scenarios. XML configuration in log4cxx allows you to define all your logging components in a structured way. You can specify loaders, appenders, layouts, and filters along with their properties. Using an external XML file keeps your configuration separate from your code, making it easier to manage. Some setups even support dynamic reloading, allowing changes to take effect without restarting the application. Log4cxx offers advanced features like MDC and NDC for adding contextual information to logs. MDC, or Map Diagnostic Context, allows you to associate key-value pairs with log events. NDC, or Nested Diagnostic Context, provides a stack-based way to add context. These features are especially useful in multi-threaded applications where you need to track requests or user sessions across different log messages. Log4cxx is designed with thread safety in mind. Its core components are safe to use in multi-threaded applications without requiring external synchronization mechanisms. This makes it a reliable choice for high concurrency environments. The framework is also optimized to minimize performance overhead, ensuring your application runs smoothly even under heavy logging load. While logging is essential, it's important to consider performance. Asynchronous logging can significantly reduce overhead by offloading log writing to background threads. In production, avoid excessive use of trace or debug levels unless needed. Choose appropriate log levels and regularly monitor your logging setup to ensure it's not impacting application performance. In financial systems, logging is not just about debugging, it's about compliance, security, and reliability. Log4cxx can be used to generate detailed audit trails, track errors in real time, and monitor system performance. With proper configuration, logs can be made tamper-proof and stored securely to meet regulatory requirements. When choosing a logging library, it's helpful to compare options. Log4cxx offers enterprise-grade features and configurability, while libraries like SBD-Log focus on speed and simplicity. Boost.Log integrates well with the Boost ecosystem. Each has its strengths, and the best choice depends on your application's specific requirements. To get the most out of Log4cxx, follow these best practices. Always use appropriate log levels to avoid noise. Never log sensitive data like passwords or personal information. Implement log rotation to prevent disk space issues. And consider centralizing logs for easier analysis and monitoring across distributed systems. Even with a robust framework like Log4cxx, issues can arise. Common problems include configuration files not loading correctly, logs not appearing where expected, or performance degradation under high load. Understanding how to troubleshoot these issues is key to maintaining a reliable logging system. Log4cxx is highly extensible. You can create custom appenders to send logs to unique destinations, develop custom layouts for special formatting needs, or implement filters with advanced logic. This flexibility allows integration with external monitoring tools and custom workflows tailored to your application. Security is a critical aspect of logging. Never log sensitive information like passwords or personal data. Ensure log files have appropriate permissions and consider encrypting them both in transit and at rest. Regular monitoring for unauthorized access can help detect potential security breaches early. Once logs are generated, tools like the ELK Stack, Spunk, and Prometheus can help you analyze and visualize data. These platforms allow you to create dashboards, set up alerts, and gain real-time insights into your application's behavior. Integrating Log4cxx with these tools can significantly enhance your monitoring capabilities. The Log4cxx community offers a wealth of resources. The official Apache documentation is a great starting point. Community forums and mailing lists provide support and discussions. GitHub repositories often contain practical examples, and video tutorials like this one can help you get up to speed quickly. Log4cxx continues to evolve with ongoing development and community contributions. Future updates aim to integrate better with modern C++ standards, enhance performance, and add new features. As logging remains a critical part of software development, Log4cxx is positioned to meet the needs of modern applications. To recap, Log4cxx is built around core components, loaders, appenders, layouts, and filters. Its hierarchical loader structure allows for modular configuration. You can define settings via XML or properties files, and the framework is designed to be thread-safe and easily extensible. These features make it a powerful choice for enterprise logging. Log4cxx is ideal for enterprise applications that require robust, configurable logging. It's especially useful in systems where flexibility and compliance are important. If you're working in a multi-threaded environment or need to meet strict logging standards, Log4cxx provides the tools and features to support those needs. While Log4cxx is powerful, it may not be the best fit for every project. For lightweight applications with simple logging needs, or performance-critical systems where minimal overhead is essential, alternatives like SBDlog or Boost.Log might be more suitable. Consider your project's specific requirements when choosing a logging framework. Ready to get started with Log4cxx? Begin by installing and building the library. Set up a basic configuration file, write your first log messages, and test different log levels and output destinations. This hands-on approach will help you understand how Log4cxx works and how to configure it for your specific needs. When using Log4cxx, avoid common pitfalls like logging too much or too little, using incorrect log levels, or neglecting log rotation and cleanup. Security and compliance should never be overlooked. Being mindful of these issues from the start will help you build a more effective and maintainable logging system. Integrating Log4cxx into your build system is straightforward with tools like CMake. You can also configure it with makefiles or IDE-specific settings. When working across platforms, ensure your build setup accounts for differences in library paths and dependencies. Proper integration simplifies development and deployment. Testing your Log4cxx setup is crucial for reliability. Verify that logs appear correctly in different scenarios, ensure your configuration files load properly, and test thread safety with concurrent operations. Under load, monitor performance to confirm that logging doesn't become a bottleneck in your application. Log4cxx is a powerful tool for debugging. Use debug and trace levels to get detailed information about your application's behavior. Add contextual data with MDC and NDC to track specific requests or sessions. Configure separate appenders for debug logs and integrate with your IDE's debugging tools for a seamless development experience. Scaling Log4cxx for large systems requires careful planning. Use asynchronous appenders to reduce performance overhead, implement centralized log management for easier analysis, and configure log rotation and archival to manage disk space. Regularly monitor and tune your logging setup to ensure it meets the demands of your system. In embedded systems, resources are often limited. Optimize Log4cxx for memory and performance by using lightweight appenders and layouts. Implement log buffering to reduce write frequency and ensure reliability even in resource-constrained environments. These optimizations help maintain efficient and dependable logging in embedded applications. In a real-world production deployment, Log4cxx demonstrated strong performance and reliability. Metrics showed minimal overhead, and the flexible configuration allowed quick adjustments during incidents. Lessons learned included the importance of proper log rotation and centralized monitoring. These experiences reinforced best practices and highlighted the framework's value in maintaining system health. As you continue your journey with log4cxx, explore its advanced features, integrate with monitoring tools, and consider contributing to the community. Staying updated with new releases ensures you're leveraging the latest improvements and capabilities. With a solid foundation, you're well equipped to handle any logging challenge. Thank you for watching this comprehensive tutorial on Apache log4cxx. I hope you found it informative and helpful in understanding how to implement robust logging in your C++ applications. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment with any questions or suggestions. Happy coding, and see you in the next tutorial. And that wraps up our explanation. If you found this useful, please hit the like button and share it with a fellow developer. Don't forget to subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.